Hey everybody, Luke back from the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to cancel Evernote, the wildly popular note-taking app. I've been using this for over 10 years, and back then it was easy to use for free, but now they made it pretty much a pay-to-use. Yes, you can use it without paying, but it's kind of annoying. But what happens if you say, hey, I'm done paying, or I found a different app and I want to cancel so I can switch to that app? Well, good news, it's pretty easy to do. Now, I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. If you want to find a link to this page I'm at right now, I will put that link in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. You can find it down there. Real quick though, before we get into the how to do it, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. All right, I put a link in the show notes and in the first pinned comment to Evernote. Now right here, it just shows you kind of what level you're at. I'm on an Evernote Personal. You can change that right here if you want to go up to their Professional, I think they call it. It has a bunch of additional features. I'm paying how I'm paying. Well, I'm using Google Play. Down here, when it will be billed. And then you can just click on this cancel your Evernote subscription. And then you notice I have an error message here. Now that's because I'm paying through Google Play. If you're paying through the Apple Store, you just need to go into your Google Play app, manage your subscriptions there, and cancel through both of those. If you're paying directly with a credit card, you would just click right here and you could cancel and confirm the cancellation there. It does do the fun thing where it asks you like 3 times to confirm or whatever it is. It may not be 3, but you get the idea. But very simple. Again, go to Evernote, the link in the show notes, click on cancel here. If you're billing directly through them with a credit card, you can do that. If you signed up through Google Play Store, I think Apple does it too, but I know Google Play Store does. You can cancel there. It's just that simple. If you have a question, leave me a comment, let me know. Check back for regular videos like this. We do quick tips of the days, reviews, how-to guides, and more, all with Cord Cutters News. All right, have a great day. Thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. We hope this helped.